No, I'm smart.
I'm smart.
You're not smart. You're not wearing socks on your feet.
Uh-huh.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
Who's smart?
Cakes.
Keek.
Yeah. Cakes. Kicksters. Kicksters.
Kicksters. What's a kickster?
Kicksters.
How old are you?
2.
2?
Yeah. 2.
Are you a big girl?
Yes.
How old is Mia?
6.
Really?
Yeah.
So what'd you do at daycare today?
Play some animals.
What's that?
Animals.
Animals.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Who was your teacher today?
Bethany.
Miss Bethany. You like
No.
Miss Bethany?
No.
No?
Yes.
You like Miss Bethany?
Yes.
Yeah. Who else did you see today?
Margaret.
Margaret. You like Miss Margaret? Hey, who are your friends? What's your friends' names?
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Who
And
else?
Matthew.
Matthew? Who
And
else?
Taylor.
Who?
Taylor.
Who else?
Michaela.
Really?
Yeah.
What about
Taylor
John?
Taylor threw your jacket on his back.
Yeah. What about John Michael?
I did throw a jackal. The jackal.
John Michael?
Yes.
You like John Michael?
Yes. Is this go to a book?
I can't see you. Say cheese.
So who else is your friends?
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Yes. Let's throw this away.
So what's your favorite thing to do at daycare?
Lucas.
Lucas? You like Lucas?
Yes. Yeah.
What about, you like going outside and playing?
I like playing with me outside.
What's your favorite thing to do outside?
Play with me. I play with Lucas.
Play with Lucas.
Yeah. I always wanted to play with me at daycare.
So, did you wear your boots with the fur today?
No. I did that socks off.
You took your socks off?
Yes. I cake off. I paid myself. I did.
You played by yourself?
I played in the bathroom.
You played in the bathroom? That's not good. You don't play in the bathroom.
I paid myself.
You peed yourself? No.
I've been in trouble.
You got in trouble?
Yes.
What'd you do to get in trouble?
I did in the corner.
You stood in the corner?
Uh-uh.
You didn't? Then what'd you do?
I did cry.
You cried? Really? Are you smart?
Yes.
You are?
I did that socks off.
Uh-uh.
Uh-huh.
Uh-uh. Uh-uh.
Uh-huh.
Uh-uh.
I did that socks off.
Really?
Yes.
Hmm.
I take my socks off.
Are you a good girl?
Yes.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Are you really a good girl?
Yes.
Are you nice?
Yes. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh no.
You're not nice?
No.
How come?
I don't want to take and play in that areas. I did.
So, what do you like to play with at home?
Jonathan.
Jonathan? No, at home. At home here. What do you like to play with?
Matthew.
Matthew's not here.
Uh-huh.
Uh-uh.
Yes, Jack's here.
Jack?
Yes.
Is Jack your favorite thing to do? Is play with your puppy?
Yes. green puppies and other puppies and play.
Do you love me?
Yes.
I love you. You
I'm
love.
petting him.
Uh huh.
And I pat his back.
Bye.
Bye.